And welcome back to a new video from Upstate Garage. And in today's video we got ourselves Toyota 86 part 2. We're going to be working on that, and we just got a call from the dealership that the timing chain cover has finally came in, and a bunch of other parts we have in stock for the Toyota 86. It all came in, so let's go to the dealership and pick it up. But before we go to the dealership, I want y'all to subscribe down below. We're doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, and the Golf R is also going to be back on the channel in the next video. It's already painted at Roman Shop, so yeah, subscribe down below, like the video, comment if y'all want to see any more builds. I'm trying to get a truck on the channel, so subscribe down below. Remember, at 5,000 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. Also, follow me on Instagram at Upstate Garage. And let's get into the video. Let's go to the dealership. First things first, we just unboxed our timing chain cover right here. Brand new from the dealership. And so, I mean, this thing's brand new. This is the part that was broken off where the filter sits and the cap to fill up your oil. So right now, let's go to the car and take the old one off and replace with the new one. First, we took the alternator off and the AC condenser pump, and everything's off, all the pulleys and stuff. So now all the bolts are out too. It's just a matter of taking it off without damaging the motor. Alright guys, here's the timing chain where it should belong. That's how it works. Pretty interesting to see all this work. And the reason we had to take this cover off once again, because the cover cracked up here wherever the oil filter and the cap goes to fill it up. So let's put the new one on and fill her up with oil and see if it'll start and work properly. To properly take everything off, we had to remove the factory header from the exhaust down there. So maybe when we put the cover back on, we could start it up straight pipe and see how it sounds. Later, and we got a bunch of parts in stock, but as you can tell, it's raining heavily outside, so we're not going to go to the shop just yet, but we do got some boxes indoors right now, so let's check them out. By this box right here, you can tell it says V-Land on it, so no other than some aftermarket V-Land headlights, the ones that I got on my BRZ currently. Let's open one up, show y'all what we got. Comes in this little plastic baggie, and then always the most satisfying part, peel this off, revealing us this super nice, I love it, the LED strip and everything about it just looks really good. So that's the headlight we got, or the headlights, both of them are in the box. Next up, right now we got indoors, is this aftermarket intake. So it comes with the little pipe connected to the throttle body right here, the box, so it's gonna sit like this, and the filter, which is in the other box, and it's gonna mount up just like that. And there's a bunch of hardware and other stuff in there as well. Check it out. We got some couplers, some rubber seals, some clamps, stuff like that. But that's all we got indoors right now. So as soon as it stops raining, we're gonna go to the shop, check it out. We got the hood, fender, bumper, and some more parts over there. So I'll see you guys when it stops raining. Alright guys, so it stopped raining, we're back in the garage, and right here we got our OEM front bumper, OEM hood. So right now what I'm going to do is unbox it real quick, or just cut it open with my razor blade, and let's just see what we got. Alright guys, so right there down there we got our front bumper. Good condition, no scratches or anything, so we're gonna move on to the hood. Alright guys, right here we got a brand new OEM hood for the car, and it's in good condition, no dents or anything, just really nice condition overall. And we did go with this OEM hood because the aftermarket hood is actually not aluminum, this is aluminum, and it's almost the same price. So dealership was the way to go on this one. Now let's check out some other parts. Alright guys, so check it out right here. We got our fan, and then we got our radiator, and then we got our condenser right there, all from a used car off the junkyard. So we got a really good deal on it, so we couldn't pass up, but I wanted to get the used junkyard. Move your dirt bike parts out of the way, I'm recording a YouTube video. Alright guys, right here we got our brand new, also OEM original fender liners. We got both sides because both of them were missing, so couldn't help but go with the OEM, you know what I'm saying? Also guys, right now here's our OEM fender, brand new from dealership. We got it, but we're not gonna unbox it just yet. We'll unbox it as soon as the car's on the frame machine. So right now it's been a few days already since the valve cover has been installed. We used everything OEM stuff to replace it, and it's actually turning out pretty good. We already flushed the motor a few times to make sure there's no water, nothing in it like that, but it's actually out of oil right now. We're gonna flush it a few more times just in case. We also got our filter on here. Everything is actually really good so far, but in the next video we're actually going to flush it a few more times and then start the car up, drive it onto the frame machine over there, and do some frame work on this thing. So stay tuned for the next video and subscribe for more. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching today's video on the GT86. Psych, it's just a regular 86. Thank y'all for watching. That was a little update video. We got all the parts already ready for the frame machine, so in the next video is going to be on the frame machine for the next episode. But next video is probably going to be another Golf R video. It's already painted, so subscribe down below, hit the like button. At 5,000 subscribers we're doing a giveaway, so subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.